The very first step that I took was literally going into my bathroom and looking into that dirty mirror and calling myself out. It's gonna hurt. You're not gonna want to do it. You're gonna cry. You're gonna suffer. It's gonna be horrible. But it starts in that accountability mirror. And every day of your life from now on moving forward, it starts with that accountability mirror about how am I going to change my life for the better.
Necessary for us to begin to look at the future and know that it's possible that we can have our dream. Other people have done it, then we can do it. We fail a lot of times. Well, a lot of other folks fail, and eventually they came back and they succeeded. It's necessary we get negative, do-nothing people out of our lives. It's necessary we never stop learning and growing and developing ourselves. It's necessary that we never give up. We know that it's you, it's me. It's being responsible for our stuff and deciding that we're going to keep on keeping on, that we're going to find a way to win or find a way to make it happen. And we know it's hard. It's not going to be a picnic. Yes, it's hard. It's hard. And we will do it hard. And once we do it hard and we go through it, we realize it was worth it. And once you discover it was worth it, it is done. And we've all had experiences where we were working on something and we knew it was possible. And we did those things that were necessary to bring it into reality. We took the responsibility to make it happen. Other people couldn't see it. A lot of people didn't believe it. You were attacked. You were criticized. People were opposing you, but you kept on doing it. It was hard, it was rough, it was difficult, but to you, it was worth it. If you want to begin to move into your own personal greatness, if you want to begin to really enjoy a happy, successful, healthy life, you've got to be willing to go against the tide. You've got to be willing to harness your will. I'm in control here. I'm coming back, and I'll be stronger and better because of it. You have got to make a declaration that this is what you stand for. You're standing up for your dreams. You're standing up for peace of mind. You're standing up for health. You want it, and you're going to go all out to have it. It's not going to be easy. When you want to change, it's not easy. If it were in fact easy, everybody would do it. But if you're serious, you'll go all out. I'm going to turn this situation around. I'm not going to sit back and moan and cry over what happened and what went wrong and who did what. I'm going to do something about this situation.
You've got to put in the time. And it's got to be active patience, aggressive patience. You have to understand that it's going to take time, but you also have to do every thing that you can during that time to make sure that you're successful. Most of you say, oh, I hustle, I grind, I work my ass off, blah, 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 blah. But are you really? No, you're not. You're not working as hard as you say you are. You're not doing all the shit that you could be doing. And yet you complain about where your results are. You're not doing the shit that you claim to be doing. You might work 1 or 2 days a week. You might stay up late 1 night a week. You might stay up late 2 nights a week. Everybody, all human beings, all of us have the tendency to choose the easy path as opposed to the one that we know is going to be hard. It's our nature. It's the path of least resistance. But guys, the path of least resistance is the one we take because we're afraid of the fucking work. And the problem with that is this. That's the path everybody takes. It's not a situation of luck. It's not a situation of magic. It's a situation of what you are willing to put yourself through to find the result that you're looking for. What are you willing to go through? What journey are you willing to endure? Because the people who are willing to endure the most pain are the ones who are going to produce the best possible results. It's a fact. It's not something that can be argued. Nothing in life that's worthwhile is easy. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing in life that's going to pay off big is going to be simple. Nothing in life that is going to change your life and make it this thing that you want is going to be quick, painless,